everyone, this is Rocky. Thank you so much for joining my channel. So today is all about mystery and excitement. So in the past, you guys have seen me do a few hauls where I've trusted a few brands to shop on my behalf, meaning you tell them they have these deals where you can do sort of mystery selections or mystery boxes, but because it's a mystery, they give you a deeper discount. They kind of load it up with a combination of new, old, whatever the heck else they want to put in the box, and it's a fraction of the price. So this time I decided to do it again. Despite my better judgment, I did it again. I just felt a bit risky and I did it again. And this time is with a company called The Laundry Room. And in the past, you guys have seen me haul from The Laundry Room before, and this time I got a big old box of things, full of things from The Laundry Room. This is their mystery box, and you pay literally a fraction of the price. I think it was like, I'm trying to remember how much it was, maybe 50 bucks or so for $450 worth of stuff is what they claim. It took, unfortunately though, I haven't even opened the box yet, but the disappointment about this experience is the fact that it took a month. It took over a month to get this box from them, and they're not shipping, they're shipping, from local. It's not like they're shipping from, China, and it has to go through all these, customs and checks and COVID-19 things or whatever the case may be. It's coming from the US, and so I was pretty disappointed with that experience, and I had to contact them on so many occasions to see where it was, and each time they contacted me back, they're like, oh yeah, we're gonna send it out today, and then nothing. Oh no, we're gonna send it out Saturday, and then that Saturday comes nothing. So once they finally did ship it, I did obviously from the shipping company get progress updates on where they were, but up until that point it was sort of a black hole, and didn't quite know what was going on. So now I gotta deal with the fact that I don't even know what's in this box. I'm really hoping it doesn't suck, because I'm already coming in with a little bit of negative bias here, and we'll see. All right, so let me count how many items I got. First of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 9 items from The Laundry Room here. And so when you start, you let them know male or female and what size you are, and they go from there. They just pick all kinds of things that they feel like they want to give you. So I'm already, before I even start, super excited about what I'm seeing. So the month wait was worth everything. So just from this first thing, just the fact that I only paid this much for it, and the first thing I'm already in love with. So this one is actually a set. It's a jogging suit or jogger set or whatever the case may be, and it appears to be fashioned after Fila, but it says female. I'm super excited about this. Look at that. That is so cute. So it's kind of oversized, a little baggy. The fabric is so great, because I have a sweatshirt from them before. Like I said, I hauled with them before, and you saw that, and had to be by far, like I said, the softest sweatshirt that I've ever purchased. Love the construction of it. It's really unique. It's a conversation piece when people see you. I love that sweatshirt, and I absolutely love the story behind the company as well. So when I saw this opportunity to get this mystery box, I said, I feel like they couldn't mess up. There's no way they can mess up. I scrolled through the website, liked everything, not everything, but most of the things I saw, and I said, I'm willing to roll the dice. And I'm so glad that I did. It took me a while to order to begin with, because there was no free shipping. I know you guys are like me. You can put a million things in a cart, and you about to hit, go ahead and purchase, and as soon as you see that shipping charge, you're like, I don't know how I feel about that charge there. And so you may not even make a purchase. So I sat on it for a while, because I didn't want to pay that shipping fee, but it was worth it. Look at this. So that's the sweatshirt. And then you have joggers that go with it. I'm so friggin' excited about this. And down the side of the leg, it says female, and the same thing that it had on the sweatshirt. I love that it has this two-tone. It's on the hem and on the belt. Has a drawstring. It has pockets. Oh my gosh, I am so over the moon about this. And then if you've ever had this brand, the inside is the softest thing you will ever feel. So even if you don't want to buy the laundry room, whenever you get a chance, when the world opens back up, first thing you do, go to a store, go rub. Everyone's gonna look at you crazy, but go rub the inside of some of the laundry room sweats and you're gonna see what I'm talking about. All right, so they have the next few things are all not all, but there are a lot of t-shirts in here, which you guys know I absolutely love. Message and graphic tees, so they did right by me already by putting t-shirts in here. The very first one here, which is super cute. The only thing I don't like about this is the fact that it is tie-dye, and this one says social distancing, and you have a skeleton dancing. You guys know that I love dance first and foremost, and then the social distancing is a sign of the times. I want to have things that commemorate 2020. I don't know if you guys kind of want to forget it and never think about it again, but 2020 is a historic year. There's so many things that are happening that may never happen again, and I kind of want to remember it. I don't ever want to forget 2020 for that reason. All right, we got another t-shirt. So this one's a paint splatter looking one with a little bit of neon on it. So we'll have to see what this one says. Oh, this one's cute, except it's cute a little bit. And the reason why I say a little bit is because it's halfway cute. It has yin and yang on here in these neon colors. I love the fact that the shirt is blue. I love that it has the blue splatter on it. I love that it has this neon pink yin and yang. But it says pizza and beer. If you know me, I don't drink alcohol, so this doesn't really represent me. Doesn't mean that I'm not going to wear it because it's super cute. It's a nice little sort of muscle workout tee, but it's oversized. Oh, by the way, I told them that, my size is extra small, so they put extra small in everything. Even though some of these look pretty big, but I did say extra small for everything. So we'll see. I absolutely like this. By the way, the quality of these shirts are unmatched. So good. Listen. If you're out in the market for some nice t-shirts and sweats, the laundry room, super soft. All right, so the next t-shirt, let's see, what does it say? Haha, priority female, all new fabric made by the laundry room. That is really cute. It's in style to have the red and the white t-shirts, or just the red and white in general. I'm not sure if Supreme started that, but everyone, or everybody kind of likes that. You'll see a lot of Coca-Cola and things like that. But the red and the white is very distinct, and I really like that. All right, we have another tie-dye t-shirt. Let's see what it says. It looks very patriotic. Oh, it kind of looks like a Miller Lite t-shirt, but it says chill for life. If you can see that, and it says 2020 on it again. Another thing to sort of commemorate the year. This one is huge. I think that this one might be like an overshirt for the beach or something like that, but this one's really long for an extra small. So I think this might be a coverall as opposed to a t-shirt that you wear, or maybe it's a dress. I think it's a dress, because these things have no labels on it to tell me what it is. There's no shipping list or whatever. It just says gold mystery box, mixtery mix, extra small. So that's all I have. So this one, I like it. I just don't like the tie-dye, but I like that it's blue. I like that it has the 2020, and it says underneath here, United We Chill. So kind of cute shirt. I think I could wear this with, as a dress, actually. I'm going to see if I can pull that off. Let's see if my butt will behave. But I think I could wear this as a dress, and if I'm going somewhere like cute, where I need to be cute, I can pop on some heels with this and then just dress it up like, hey. Only stinky part about it is the 2020, so I don't know, like it might end up being something that I wear around the house because it does have the 2020 on there, but we'll see. All right, let's see, is this tie-dye again? This looks tie-dye-ish. Oh, I like this. Even though it is tie-dye, it kind of looks like the top of a Marlboro cigarette box, if you can kind of see that, but it says stay home. And then at the bottom it says Surgeon General's warning, your lack of chill causes causes serious harm to others around you and possibly death. Stay home. So again, another thing about 2020, that kind of a sign of the time. I like the cut of this. You know, I love that it's cropped. You guys know I talk about that all the time. Crop tops, you know, give you the illusion of a smaller waist. So I am down with this all day, every day. I don't like that it's mimicking a box of cigarettes because I don't smoke and I don't condone smoking cigarettes. But I'm going to wear it anyway, I suppose. And I like the message. The next two items, again, have tie-dye. For somebody who hates tie-dye, I certainly have a lot of tie-dye in this box. And I guess I'm going to have to learn to love it because I just paid for it. Oh, this is interesting. Does this go? Oh, it goes with this crop top. It's a whole set. And these are the shorts to this Marlboro crop top. But this is like sweatpants shorts, cut off shorts. I've never owned anything like this in my life, but I'm certainly gonna rock it because again, it has the super soft material that I like, and it has the zip pockets, which will protect the things that you have if you're gonna be out and about, which I really love the idea of that. I don't have anything that has zip pockets like this, so I really like the idea of this. Definitely don't need a purse if I got this. So I didn't realize that they had sent me an outfit. So I have two outfits out of this. And then there's one more. I think these are joggers, which appear to to match a couple of these actually. Let me show it to you. It's hard to see these, but these appear to be like a baby pink and a very baby blue colored tie-dye. And it has a drawstring sort of front here. This is also an extra small, but this waistband looks pretty wide, so I imagine that they sit very low and relaxed. It has the jogger kind of bottom here, but I think in my opinion, it goes well with either of these two, you know, tie-dye tops that I showed you before. Can you see that? I think it goes well. It's hard to see that together here, but I think it does. So I think they did a good job. They paired a few things that I can kind of like mix and match and wear as an outfit, which I appreciate. A lot of the other mystery things that I've gotten were just disparate things. It seems like they put some thought into putting these things together, which I appreciate. I can certainly, like, I could spend, you know, 2 weeks mixing and matching and wearing these things, and no one would be the wiser that I was probably wearing the same things, you know, mixing and matching them. So I really appreciate that. While I said I don't quite like tie-dye, the way that they've paired these things makes me feel inspired about wearing them, and there's all these different ways that I can wear them. So I'm actually a fan of what I received, even though, like I said, I came in with my negative Nancy hat. No digs at anybody named Nancy, but I came in with my negative Nancy hat, thinking I was just going to be upset with the whole experience just because the shipping took a long time. But for the price, right? And I was wrong. It wasn't $50. It was $99. I got 9 pieces for $99, which means what, $9.99 for each one or something like that. Not bad, but you know, this is comparable to, you know, Forever 21 prices, but this is certainly, if you were to go to their website and check out how much a t-shirt and a sweatshirt and all that stuff costs, certainly over, you know, near or over the $450 value that we talked about, because you know, clearly, you know, one of these pieces alone, like maybe $50 or so, or whatever the case may be. So if I've gotten 9 of these, it's quite a bit. So anyway, I am happy. I am pleased with this. My recommendation is try it out. It's the mystery box. There's several different types of mystery boxes, some with themes, some without themes. This one was just mystery in general. So they threw in some of everything, but you could have done one of their themes, which is great. I recommend it, but if you have a deadline that you need it for, like a special occasion, a birthday, a gift, or whatever the case may be, order it a month plus in advance, or just order it and forget it and just don't be anxious about it, because I was really excited about it. And so again, like I said, just kind of tainted that initial experience for me. But otherwise, great quality, great selection, and a great value for what I paid. I recommend it. Okay, that brings us to the end. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Tell your friends about it so that they can subscribe. Hit the like button. Let me know if you have any more questions about this, because I really enjoyed this experience, and maybe you have more questions. But let me know what you thought about it. And like I said, share with your friends. Leave me a comment. Hit the like button. Bye.